For iPhone 13 12s, 11, 10s, 10 series, 60% faults occurred in middle layer of motherboard. Today, we will use this iPhone XS Max motherboard to learn how to desoldering and re-lamination double layer motherboard. The device we used for layering is Sunshine T12A CPU desoldering heating station. Using heating station for layering, temperature can be controlled accurately and operation is simple and convenient. Prepare solder paste with 138 degrees melting point. Low temperature solder paste is suitable for double layer motherboard layering older than iPhone 12. Connect heating station and put motherboard on it. Power on heating station, set maximum temperature, suitable temperature is 160 to 200 degrees. When temperature reaches maximum temperature, wait for 5 seconds. If you can move upper board, that indicates solder tin between two layer boards has fully melted. At this time, remove upper board. Power off, remove lower board from heating station. In this way, separating double layer board is completed. Double layer motherboard is connected through solder joints frame, which was on radio frequency board. With assist of soldering iron, remove residual tins on radio frequency board with desoldering wick. Clean and white bonding pad with a dust-free cloth. Adjust humidity of low temperature solder paste. Fix radio frequency board on Meijin Z20 motherboard reballing station. Put in reballing stencil and reballing radio frequency board. After that, remove stencil. Check whether tin balls are complete and even. If not, they need to reballing again. Put radio frequency board on heating station. Power on, set temperature to 180 degrees. As temperature rises, tin balls on frame pad gradually melt. This is a wonderful process. Power off heating station, waiting for tin balls to cool down. At this point, middle layer solder frame of radio frequency board is completed. Repeat same procedure on main control board. With assist of soldering iron, remove residual solder paste on main control board with desoldering wick. Clean and white bonding pad with a dust-free cloth. Main control board was completed. Put radio frequency board on heating station after reballing. Apply soldering flux at tin balls of frame. Put main control board on radio frequency board, align accurately. Power on heating station, set temperature to 180 degrees, wait for temperature to rise. When temperature reaches to 180 degrees, touch upper board gently, it will move, and return automatically, means solder joints on the surface has melted. Power off, wait for motherboard to cool down, remove whole motherboard from heating station. By now, the motherboard re-lamination has been completed. Install the whole motherboard into back housing. Install LCD screen. Power on phone. Test each function, all functions work well. Do you know how to process now? If you have any problem or other operations, want to learn, welcome to leave your comments. Thanks for watching this video, don't forget to smash the like button. See you next time.